how to use the new iMessage app on iOS 26. So if you want to use the new iMessage app on your iOS 26, then first open up your Messages app and then go with the edit option, which is on the top left. To manage your name, select messages or edit pins. In the top right, the new filter icon lets you quickly view known senders, spam, recently deleted, or even manage filtering. At the bottom, you'll see a search bar that works across names, files, links, and messages, making it easier than ever to find what you need. To start a new chat, you need to tap on Compose button, which will be on the bottom right here. Tap on it. Inside Conversations, you'll notice Apple's new liquid glass design with a sleek, transparent top bar. You can just tap on the chat, and then here you will have the arrow. You can tap on it or the info arrow to open the new details page. And from there, you can go with edit, which is on the top right, and then you can edit your contact info. And if you also have an option to add some custom chat backgrounds, you'll be able to add that or view all shared photos, links, documents, locations, and even wallet transactions in one place. The message bar works as usual, but the plus icon or the plus button now includes polls. So you can create and send polls right inside messages. Perfect for planning with friends. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.